Hi there and welcome to Color Me Carole. Today I'm going to show you how I apply this set of press-ons onto my right hand using sticky tabs. I'll be sure to have everything listed in the description box below if you don't have any of the supplies that I'm mentioning. I have this sheet of sticky tabs right here and I'm ripping it in half on the perforated side and then peeling off the top coating protective film so that it can expose all the sticky tabs. Don't worry, nothing is sticky until you peel off the individual tab off of this backing. There's 12 pieces on each half sheet, so I'm going to start with the smallest size and put it on my smallest finger. And my nails are pretty short right now. If your nails are longer, it's okay if it doesn't cover your entire nail surface. Just make sure it starts covering from the cuticle going forward. You at the very least want it to adhere closest to the cuticle. So I'm taking the sticky tabs, I place them on each nail where I think the size is appropriate, and then I press it down firmly with my finger. Once everything is firmly pressed in place, then I have to peel off the top protective film that's on each of these. So I start pulling at the tab here at the free edge. If it doesn't come off super easily, then I just use my finger to hold down the sticky tab while the film comes off. Then I take my press-on nail and I fit it starting at the cuticle area and then press it down towards the free edge. After the press-on nail is applied, then I have to hold it down firmly to make sure that the sticky tab adheres very well to the top underside of the tip as well. After you do this, you definitely want to make sure you don't expose your hands to water, chemicals, or any kind of oils for at least 2 hours after applying them, or else the sticky tabs can come off very easily. So now I'm finishing off applying my press-ons, starting at the cuticle and then pressing down towards the free edge and then holding all the nails in place. For demonstration purposes, I only did it for about 5 seconds, but you definitely want to hold in place for about 10 to 15 seconds. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment box below and I'll be sure to answer your questions. Thank you for watching.